What the fuck happens when you take Ricola cough drops? All right, you pop one of those alpine herbal hockey pucks in your mouth, and suddenly your throat goes from sandpaper in a blender to mountain monk level zen in 3 seconds flat. First off, menthol. That icy little guy hits your throat like a winter slap from Mother Nature herself. It cools the pain, numbs the crap, and makes you feel like you're breathing through a damn snow globe. But wait, Ricola isn't just menthol. No, no. It's packed with a Swiss army of herbs like elder, thyme, and horehound. Yeah, I said horehound, calm down. All working together like a damn herbal boy band to calm your cough and shut your throat the hell up. Also, they taste like earthy, jolly ranchers. If a tree had a baby with a candy cane. Is it a medicine? Is it candy? Honestly, who knows? But it works, and it slaps. Literally. In the throat. Comment what you want to see tomorrow. Follow for more breakdowns.